But my left right to say is a KFC. The only KFC in Jamaica where don't have nowhere for your dine. No sit down. Grab and go. And if you wonder why, just use your imagination. East Kingston with a Rockfort. What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. On today's journey, we're going to be traveling from Lady Musgrave Road to the Harbourview Roundabout in East Kingston. You'll be getting the natural sounds from the streets, mixed with a little bit of narration and a little bit of music. Journey with me while I make this drive, and as usual, guys, I hope you enjoy. Across? Across? Yeah, if you look out for the school as them, you know? Yeah, man. So I think Alpha School is nearby, and I think Clonclarty as well. I think that school girl earlier where you see cross, I think a Clonclarty that. And yeah, Alpha High School for girls on the left hand side. It's a tire in the road. I'm going to put a tire because that hole there is a trench. Right now you drop in the hole, you could have dropped in the next dimension. Welcome to Jamaica roads. Yeah? Straight in the next dimension. Notice at Dunkirk side, right? Yeah, famous Kirk, you know? Brighton Street and all these places, you understand? Cross? Cross? Young people, so over there, East Kingston, yeah? Yeah, man. Just past Sigani Drive from right hand side. Yeah, a person from out the east side, you know Sigani Drive very well. And right where stop light there, that's Mountain View. To the left, they make the turn left. They take it to Mountain View. Right now we are about to approach Rockfort. In the vicinity of Pembroke Road, them place there. You know what going out this. It's a Winward Road, primary and junior high. One time it did known as Winward Road all age. Rockfort here over there. Dangerous ground with them on people. On the right over here, Rockfort Police Station. Yeah. So I massive them from east. No thing go. On the left and right is Oliver Road. Next road we come up right is the left hand side, Warwick Road. Carry straight up on Warwick Hill. Dangerous ground as you know. Yeah, we have Nassau Road. All of them places that we have out of the east here, people. You understand? Yeah. But my left right just says a KFC. The only KFC in Jamaica we don't have nowhere for you dine. No sit down. Grab and go. And if you wonder why, just use your imagination. East Kingston with the Rockfort. Yeah man, the Uncle KFC will stay so man. I don't play a thing man. You understand? Yeah. People, we're about to knock off right just still, you know. Yeah man, give thanks for watching and grateful for the support as usual. You know the thing already. You know if saying if you do the right thing, you understand, just click on the like button. Also subscribe to the thing, you know it go. I only don't know say comment section how I wanna ready. Yeah, get me? Yeah man. That's the Jamaica Flour Mills, in case you wonder. Jamaica Flour Mill, them silo there. Yeah, Jamaica Flour Mill, that's it. Alright. I know I'm bringing to go Harbourview with me. We could jump go to Harbourview. Hey, remember easy, you know, because sometimes police out of them places, you know, them look feeding ground, you know. We'll go easy. Yeah, so I'm just bringing to go Harbourview roundabout with me, alright? Yeah.
know so me always appreciate the company, innit? I go on out there, sir. Go on out there, sir. Why, people? Why, it's a dangerous operation. Police them out. Whole heap of police over there, you know, people. Good thing to say me I bring you with me. Else you wouldn't get to see them. Rockfort Mineral Bar this on the left hand side. I don't know if it's still active. Somebody who familiar with it, let me know what go on in the comment section, yeah? And this Carib Cement Factory. Yeah, they're on the two side, but I guess the most of the operation go on over on the left side, alright? Yeah. And people, from when you see how just I make that drive here, you probably have an idea which part we are heading down. But you know that I'm going to do in a different video, not that one here. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. Alright my people, so I come down to the Harbour View roundabout now and this is where we really have to cut off that one, alright? So give thanks for the support, thank you for watching and don't know the thing set already. You see me, I see a little thing on Jamaica 60, I go circle out of the airport road and come round back so you can see it, yeah. Alright people, so they just have up one little something at Jamaica 60. As you know, this is a road we carry from the airport and them have two statues up there, so you know, I guess that's the reason why they put it up there. So let me go slow so you can get a glimpse it. Yeah, hit that over there, so alright? Yeah. Alright my people, so we're gonna cut it right to now. So as we said, just continue for like the video them and continue for subscribe if you are a new viewer. Click the subscribe button and don't know the comment section as I said earlier, our place that's in. So bless upon yourself. We don't know where we are going already, no? Yeah, but I'm gonna say a next video for that. Next video. So bless upon yourself my people, see? I'm out.